This is Ranish Mahan from Fix Compose. Today we are going to talk about the awareness campaign of COVID-19. As we know that COVID-19 is very important issue in the world which is taking lives of so many people. So we have to aware people who are not aware and taking it lightly with our creativity. So that doesn't mean we have to create the poster. We can do anything else, like we love to sing, we can sing some song to aware the people, we can create a painting and we can post that on the social media so that the people understand the scenario of this issue and we can break this chain of this coronavirus. So let's see how we can do that. But please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified on time. So let's get started. So firstly, open the image, which is our main image which we used here in the poster, like a tunnel. So we will create a radial landscape with this image. Firstly, I will unlock this image. Now I am going to duplicate it for the safety reasons. Now go to the image and here go to the canvas size. We will create a square size. So I will copy the width value to the height value. It will create a square canvas for us. Now hit OK. So here it is giving us a warning that canvas size is small than the image. So it will hide the image, or you can say clip the image. We are okay with that. So click on proceed. Here is our canvas which is in square dimensions. So convert the image, a copied layer, to the smart object and now go to the filter. Here you can see in the distort the polar coordinate options. Click on this. This will create a round landscape for us with this image. You can see here in the window. Now hit OK. So here is the result, which is not that good, but we will work on that and it will return in awesome landscape. So now by using the crop tool, I am going to crop this area so that we get a proper composition which we require for this image. So now commit the changes once we get the proper landscape. So this is our landscape. We will work on that. So firstly, as we have a smart object, we can rotate it, we can transform it to get a different result. So I have turned on the transform controls. You can see it is converted into base layer. I have rotated it. You can see our result is changed now. So we are happy with this result so far. So for that I am going to use healing brush tool for this. So for that I have created a new layer. So I have taken the healing brush tool. With the alt I am going to take the sample, but firstly you have to check in the options bar. There should be current and below option selected so that it can sample from the bottom layers. So with the left click you can paint the area which we want to heal, and with the alt press use the left mouse button to take the sample. You can see we are getting a good result. Cover the area as much you can and you will get a good landscape. You can see we are getting a good result. The tunnel is looking good. So we have this result so far, which is looking pretty good to me. Now I am going to change the composition and going to take the size of HD 1920 and 1080. I am going to crop to that size. You can see we are getting a good composition. The composition is looking very good. So here we have some issues. We are going to resolve those. As we want to show the trees as the bushes, so we have to remove their wooden part. So at this time we are going to bring this lady, as you can see in the original picture, to a composition. The size of this image is too large, so we have to transform it to fit in our composition. So here we have it. So now we have to make a selection of this person. So in the latest updates of Photoshop, we have a option for select subject. You can access it from the while the selection tool have select, or you can go to the select and subject. You can see we have a very good selection with minor issues. We can cover those issues with the quick selection tool. We are getting very good results. Keep on using the quick selection tool until you get the good result to work with. So I think we have a good selection. So we have to enhance it more. So go to the select and mask. So I am going to change the transparency view of unselected area to the 100 because I want to see how it is looking when it is composited. So it is good. So here I am going to use the decontaminate colors to remove the bleed from the edges so that it can merge to the background properly. Now hit OK. You can see we have placed this image in the environment very properly. At this time I am going to bring the coronavirus image. Here we have this image is too large again. So we have to transform it, scale it to the size of our desire. So this size looks good to me. So now we have to make the selection. Here I will introduce a new tool which we have in this new Photoshop. It is object selection tool. Just click and drag. You can see the object is selected. The AI system of Photoshop is very powerful. I like it. So go to the select and mask. So here we have it. Turn on the decontaminate colors. Shift edges so that we don't carry any background area. So here we have it. This looks good to me. We can reduce the opacity little bit. So that's all for today, as the video is too lengthy. So we will add this color combinations in the later chapter. I will show you how we can create a good color theme for this, and we will complete this poster in the next class. So you can check the timetable from our channel. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon to get the notifications of our videos on time. Thanks for watching.